Hunyah Travels Unboxing Books 9. Follow Hunyah Travels Instagram page at Hunyah Travels, and follow Hunyah, that's me, from Hunyah Travels on Instagram for Hunyah08. Watch Hunyah Travels, read Hunyah Travels, and also listen to Hunyah Travels podcast. Thank you. Self-Steal Like an Artist is based on creativity and about artists and how they can create original work with tons of ideas. So this is a great book to read, and anyone can find this on Amazon. It's really good, and it was recommended to me. And this is actually three books in the series, but this is the first one, so I'm going to see if I'm going to read that as well. I'll have a review soon. First, I got this from Amazon. This is from the Amazon headquarters. That's the one located in the city near you. It's right from there. It was on free shipping, so anyone can get this. It's low price. It's Travels Unboxing Books 9, and today I'm unboxing the book Steal Like an Artist.